automatic PowerPoint presentations, free for you. How much time will you save? So much. And these are the best tools for you. So check it out. Link will be in the description as always. No worries. Sign up with your Google account. Let's check out our options. You can ask AI to generate, import document, import from Google Drive, or from a URL. Now you have to make your choices. How many pages? Which language? What's the tone? Your audience and the scenario. We are going to create a PowerPoint. No effort. Right, choose a topic and make your choices. Let's see it in action. Before your very eyes, it creates an outline, which you can edit. How fabulous is this? Happy with the result? Just click on continue. If you're not happy, you can edit. You just have to write it. What now? Now let's choose the template. You have many to choose from. Several types. Okay, let's choose one. So check out the generation. Yes, that easy. So how can you edit the result? Let's check it out. Hey, but don't forget to subscribe and like and share, because I bring you the best free tools for you, right? Thanks, by the way. You can make changes in the outline. You can change the template with a click. That easy. In Insert, you have several options. You can add text or several shapes. Resize them, relocate them. You can even upload images. How about adding some tables? Or adding some charts? You name it. You can do it all. Now you love it so much you want to flaunt it. So just how can you do it? Let's present it. You can play it live, you can present it, you can download it, you can make a collage of different PowerPoints you've created. Here are your downloading options. Once you download it, it's a normal PowerPoint, so you can edit it again. This is powerful, right? And this is for you. So, if you like the video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free AI tools for you in your projects. Don't forget to watch my other playlists. I have so many amazing tools, and check out Gamma. I have 2 videos on this awesome tool that also creates amazing presentations with one click. Do check it out. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.